Good morning, Tobias. This is Jack Daniels. We have a 1 o'clock appointment this afternoon, but in the event I'm called away to pick up a delivery or to meet a delivery at my house, I thought I'd go ahead and make a quick video to get you started on your research. And if that is the case, then we can make another appointment early next week and we can go a little bit further. But to start with, what you're looking at here is our home page. I know that you're in the abnormal psychology class, so the first thing that I would want to do is to lead you to resources that have to do with psychology. So looking at the library's homepage, which is at library.flagler.edu, right up there, notice some of the links up at the top, collections and resources. If you put your cursor over that and then go down to resources by subject and click on that, then you can scroll down here until you get to psychology. And you click on that link, and then you have the psychology link under that. And we'll click on that, and that'll take us to a library guide having to do with psychology. There's a link here on this part of the psychology lib guide, library guide. Journals, periodicals, and databases. Click into that, and then you have links to certain periodicals and some of the databases. I'm going to go ahead and click into PsycArticles. It's a database. I recommend you go there too. And you're looking at an EBSCO database. So just to demonstrate a quick search to you, if you put your cursor in the search box up here and type in abnormal psychology, you can certainly click search here right now and get some results, but I recommend you go down here and check the box down here that says scholarly peer-reviewed journals. Do that. Pardon me for that thing that popped in on my screen. Once you click the box for scholarly peer-reviewed journals, then you can even tell it full text. Now it's simply a matter of you figuring out what your paper is going to be about, and then using the certain keywords and phrases, typing them into the search field here, maybe combining a couple of words with phrases or a couple of words together, and then doing your search. I've typed in abnormal psychology up here for this demonstration to get you going. So what you do, you just type something in the search field there. You can come over here and blow it up and tell the database that you want to find articles, the subjects of which are abnormal psychology, so you select subjects. So you click search. Notice we have 370 results. Let's see if we can add something to this. Let's pretend I was doing a paper on abnormal psychology and college students. I just thought of that out of the top of my head, and I'm going to go ahead. I'm not going to change this field at all. I'm going to leave it the same, and then I'm going to click search again, and it knocks it down to 24 articles that are about abnormal psychology and something to do with college students, college, or even just students. If you scroll down a little bit, we can look at some of the articles. Here's an article called Development of the Zoological Garden and Mental Hospital. I don't know what that's about. Matter of fact, I'm going to go up here and change my search. Let's change it from abnormal psychology plus college students. And what I'll do, I'll put down adolescents. And then I'm going to go over here. I'm going to make this one of the subject fields. This is going to be a very precise search. So once I click search, I can just get one article. So that was probably too precise. So I'm going to back out a little bit, and I'm going to click on the abstract here. The abstract is a summary of an article. So now the next search is going to be for articles about abnormal psychology, and the database is only going to find articles about abnormal psychology that have the word adolescence in their summary, in their abstract. So I'm going to redo my search, see what I get. 2 articles. We'll go ahead and stick with that just so I can show you what the result looks like. If I click on one of these, the current impact of Freud upon psychology, you can click on that hot link there and it gives you the bibliographic information of this article. The title, the author's name, the name of the journal, the volume, the date. It's a very old article. I probably wouldn't use this in a paper, but we can still use it as an example. And then the page numbers here. Here's the summary of the article right there. If you come down here, you have the field where it tells you what the subjects are. If you pay attention to your subject headings here in this article, in this display about this article, pay attention to the subject headings and pay attention to the summary, you can make a decision as to whether or not this is an article that you're interested in keeping. Of course, Tobias, this presumes that what you mean in your email by primary APA approved resources is that you need to find 5 resources or articles that are peer reviewed or from academic journals. And this is indeed how you would find an academic journal article. If you click the back button one more time, you can look at this page that shows the results, and you'll notice over here when you scroll down that you have all the results here. We only have 2, and both of them are from peer-reviewed journals. Let's go ahead and I'll just show you. I'll back out of this search again and just do a search for abnormal psychology, and you have a lot more results here, but you also notice that we have 370, and all 370 of them are peer-reviewed journals, because before we did our search, we told the database that we wanted peer-reviewed journals. So just to summarize again, let's go to new search. Here's your search field. Before you type in or actually you can type it in right away, abnormal psychology. You could change this to subject if you wanted to, or you could search in the summary of the article right there. Then you come down here and you check the box for scholarly peer reviewed. All right? And you click search, and we're back to where we were just a minute ago. All right, so I'll contact you if I have to leave before 1. I'll probably send you an email about it. And if that's the case, go ahead and reply to the email and let me know a time on Monday that you think might be good. I can tell you my schedule on Monday right now. Off the top of my head, I get into the library around 10 o'clock in the morning usually. Then I will have a class from 12 noon to 1 again. And then I should be free Monday afternoon. Or actually, I'll be on the reference desk Monday afternoon from 2 until 4:30. But you can come and try to find me anytime after 1 o'clock, between 1 o'clock and 7 p.m. on Monday. That's in case we can't make our appointment today. All right? All right, Tobias, take care. Hope to see you this afternoon. If not, we'll try to get together on Monday. All right, take care.